Ever felt locked out of your Gmail? Like your digital life is on pause? Let's get you back in. First, head to the Google account recovery page. You can find it by searching for Recover Gmail Password or by going directly to Google.com, Accounts, Recovery. Don't worry, I'll put the link in the description below. Enter the Gmail address you're trying to recover. Even if you can't remember your password, you still need to know the email address itself. On the next screen, you'll likely see a prompt for your last known password. If you can't recall it, simply click on the Forgot Password link. Now, Google needs to verify it's really you. This is where your security measures come into play. You'll see options to receive a verification code. This could be via text message to a recovery phone number you previously linked, or a voice call to that same number. If you've chosen text message, wait for the code on your phone. Once it arrives, carefully type it into the provided field on the recovery page. Alternatively, you might have a recovery email address set up. If you choose this option, a verification code will be sent to that alternative email. Check your inbox for an email from Google. Grab the code and enter it into the recovery page. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Make it strong and memorable. A mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols is best. Congratulations, you've successfully reset your Gmail password and regained access. Remember to note down your new password in a safe place. If this helped, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Stay secure online.